What's going on, guys? Another episode of Superfast Setups. I'm Chaseontwowheels. That's my buddy Patty Rick.
Hey everybody.
Today, Patty Rick is going to walk us through how to connect a Sena 30K to a Sena 20s. These are our no bullcrap, just how to do the stuff videos if you're out there and you just want to know. There's no fluff in here. There's enough fluff between here. No other fluff needed. All right, Patrick, we got a 20s, we got a 30K from Sena. How do we connect these things together so we can just talk to our buddies?
Well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over the buttons and how these guys actually work. So if you saw any of our other videos, you'll see this at the beginning of every video. So feel free to skip ahead to this timestamp to get to the meat and potatoes of this thing. So for those who've never touched one of these before, we've got a 20s here. This is your center button. This is your jog dial. It spins around. And we've got your phone button here on the back. To turn them on, you're simply going to press and hold the phone and the center button at the same time. You'll see some flashing lights. Totally normal. It's indicating your battery level and that the device is powered on. So same thing with the 30K. We've got our center button, we've got our jog dial, and we've got our phone button here on the end. Press and hold the center button and the phone button to turn the device on. You'll see a little blue light there. It'll flash red here in a moment. All right, there's our red flashing lights indicating a full charge and we're good to go. So if you want to intercom pair these guys, super simple, easy way to do it. We're going to press and hold the center button for 5 to 10 seconds. You'll hear it over the intercom say Intercom Pairing. Once those have paired, we're going to click one of the two buttons, or one of the buttons on either device, the center button, to make that device the leader of the group, and then we'll be good to go.
All right, so
Power on. Crank the volume up. That one should all go there.
quick notes that we need to make. This has mesh capabilities, this does not.
Correct.
You cannot connect these with mesh, but they can connect with Bluetooth.
Correct. Yep, you can intercom pair them, no problem. You just cannot mesh pair them.
Got it. Okay, so we're gonna go hold middle button for 5 seconds for intercom pairing.
Correct. You will also see a red flashing light along with that audible voice prompt. So now that they are both in their pairing mode, we'll just tap this center button here on the 30 to turn it into the leader of the group. It takes a second or two, but it's going to go ahead and connect here in a minute. You'll hear them both quit beeping, and they'll both flash blue at the same time. There they go. We are working.
Yay! Okay, at that point, you're set up and ready to go.
You are ready to go. Get out there and ride, guys. Get out of the gas station. Get out of the Cycle Gear, the Mountain Motorsports parking lot. Get on the road.
All right, guys, that's it for this super quick setup. That was the connecting the 20s to the 30K from Sena. That's it for this video. These are very fast and to the point. So we're gonna get to recording this next video. We should end them with goodbye. Do that in post. Just goodbye. How did...
I went that way.
Anyways, guys, that's it for super fast setups. That's Patty Rick. I'm Chaseontwowheels. If you guys want links for the stuff we talked about and connected in today's video, there will be links down below. If this video helped you guys out, like at a gas station or something like that, and you're just trying to connect all your stuff up, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you guys like motorcycle content, you probably should subscribe. Okay, we're gonna leave out the way we came, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later. You're that way. Okay, bye.